Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Outlook. So to export contacts, you want to go to this file option right here, which is in the top left corner. Just click on this one. Then you want to click on the open and export section option, which is on the left side of your screen below the info. So just click on this, and then you want to go to import and export. Again, just one click. Then you are going to get the window called Import and Export Wizard. And as you can see, we have various options right here to import and to export some files. In this video, we are going to focus on to the option called Export to File. Then we're gonna click Next. And as you can see, we have these two options right here, the CSV file and the PST file, which is an Outlook data file. And this file can be opened only through the Outlook app. And the CSV file is an Excel file. So you can open it via Excel and see all the information that are saved on the specific contact, on the contacts, not specific contact, but only on all contacts. So we wanna just click on this one because in the most cases you're going to choose the CSV file. So let's just click next. And now you want to find the contacts section, the contacts file, which is right here. As you can see, I have two files, the contacts and a contacts one, because maybe you have many address books, so you want to select the one that you want to export. So in my case, I want to export contacts, so let's click on this one and just click next. And as you can see, you can name the file by yourself. And you can name the file whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to just name it exported contacts. Then click next. As you can see, we have this information that the following actions will be performed. So export contacts from folder contacts. So Outlook is going to create a file with all our contacts and all the information that we've got in the about our contacts. Every contact that we have in our address book are going to be exported. So let's just now click finish to make it done. And as you can see, the whole exporting process took a few seconds. Honestly, it took 1 second. So you're gonna ask me where these exported files right now, and with the factory settings, they are going to be in your document section. So you want to go to open just a file, or maybe this PC, and then you want to go to the documents, and the file is right here, as you can see. And as I said before, this is an Excel file, so we can just open it via Excel. And I don't have the Excel right now. So as you could see, maybe we can show it. I have only 3 contacts saved in the contact book, and here are the all informations. And if we are going to swipe to the right side, we are going to get the emails and phone numbers and everything you've got saved on your specific contacts. So this is it. This is how you export contacts from Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!